Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to own backup my data in our Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to own your backup my data, so guys you can own it. And guys, now let's see how to own backup my data in Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friend, first of all, open your phone setting to own your backup my data. Then guys, scroll it and guys click on your about phone setting. This or not guys, sorry, this click on this phone system setting guys. Second last guys, tap here. Guys, click on your advanced setting. Then guys, you can see backup. So friends, you can see your turn on. So guys, you want to own backup my data, so guys you can on from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to backup my data in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.